Welcome to our channel where we discuss the latest advancements in the field of robotics in the automotive industry. In this video, we will be discussing the future of robotic logistics and supply chain management for car manufacturing. Supply chain management is a critical component of the automotive industry. The efficient and timely delivery of raw materials, parts, and finished goods is essential to meet the high demands of the market. With the advancements in robotic technology, supply chain management in the automotive industry is undergoing significant changes. The use of robots in logistics and supply chain management is not a new concept. However, the role of robots in the future of supply chain management in the automotive industry is expected to become more significant. In this video, we will be exploring the potential benefits and challenges of using robots in the automotive supply chain. The role of robots in supply chain management. Robots are capable of performing various tasks in the supply chain management process. These tasks include material handling, storage, sorting, and transportation. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, are already in use in many manufacturing facilities for these tasks. AGVs and AMRs can move materials and goods around the factory floor, reducing the need for human labor. These robots can work around the clock, increasing the efficiency and speed of the supply chain. They can also be programmed to navigate complex environments and avoid obstacles, reducing the risk of accidents and damages. Another benefit of using robots in the supply chain is that they can handle heavy loads and repetitive tasks without getting tired or making mistakes. This reduces the risk of workplace injuries and improves the overall quality of work. Moreover, robots can be easily programmed to adapt to changing demands in the supply chain, allowing manufacturers to respond quickly to market changes. The integration of robotics and artificial intelligence. The integration of robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize supply chain management in the automotive industry. With the help of AI, robots can make autonomous decisions based on real-time data, enabling them to optimize the supply chain further. AI-powered robots can analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as sensors, cameras, and software, to identify patterns and make predictions. This can help manufacturers improve inventory management, reduce waste, and increase productivity. Moreover, AI-powered robots can also help manufacturers identify and mitigate risks in the supply chain, such as supplier shortages or production delays. By analyzing data and predicting potential issues, manufacturers can take proactive measures to prevent disruptions in the supply chain. Challenges of implementing robots in supply chain management. While the benefits of using robots in supply chain management are numerous, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the initial cost of investment in robotic technology. Implementing robots in the supply chain requires significant investment in hardware, software, and training. Another challenge is the need for skilled technicians and engineers to maintain and repair the robotic systems. This requires specialized knowledge and training, which may be difficult to find. Moreover, the integration of robotics into the supply chain may also result in job displacement, as some tasks previously performed by humans may become automated. This requires manufacturers to invest in training and re-skilling programs for their employees to adapt to the new technological changes. Conclusion: the use of robots in logistics and supply chain management is expected to become more prevalent in the automotive industry. The benefits of using robots in the supply chain, such as increased efficiency, productivity, and safety, are significant. With the integration of AI, robots can make autonomous decisions based on real-time data, enabling them to optimize the supply chain further. However, the implementation of robotic technology in the supply chain also poses some challenges, such as high initial investment costs, the need for skilled technicians, and potential job displacement.